Hi, this is Elizabeth. Hope everyone's doing fine. It's been a long time since I did a video, and I've just been kind of collecting stuff for probably a month or something. So I just want to go ahead and share that with y'all. And it's from different things. Some are online shopping, some's at Michael's, some is at Joann's. Anyways, I got these flowers. I've seen a lot of people got them. So those colors, these here ones, they're really beautiful. These are all at Michael's. These here ones are beautiful. These are Jolie's flowers. You're going to hear some clang because I'm putting stuff in the box over here. These here flowers. I didn't get all this stuff at one time, trust me. These here pink ones. These ones. These here blue ones here, turquoise. Looks like I like turquoise a lot. These ones here. Show you the flowers first. Those little sprays. And these here. All the collections. And these here ones, I got another package of those. These here. Yellow bling from the Yellow Pop collection from Michael's. I got some of this, those ones, and then, sorry, and I'm not editing. And these here ones, that's from Songs of Spring. And then these here ones I got for $1.49. I think a lot of people had those. Got this ribbon at Michael's. It has this little ruffle on it. I wish they had more colors because it makes really pretty flowers, and I'll show you some of the flowers I was making those. See how ruffly it is? And this one's real pretty. And this one. These are the ones I made with that ribbon, but in this color, the darker pink. Those. This here's real pretty. So you see I love flowers. This one. And then these ones here. So I plan on making more with this ribbon, the light pink. I thought this ribbon here, I wanted a black ruffle, but they didn't have it. But I thought this might work. Make a real nice flower. It has a kind of like a scalloped edge with the stitching on it. So I thought that might be pretty. I got some of these wood pieces. I didn't get them all at one time. I got one here and one there, two here, two there. But I got the chandelier, couldn't remember. This little wood doily. Live. I wanted love, but they didn't have it. I got 2 wish and 2 dream. So that's that. Been collecting these Inca Gold metallic rubs, so I used a 40 off coupon and got this one time, and then I do believe there's a blue one on this table somewhere. I got this jewelry, $129 for just doing, and I got it. That's a silver one, and then I got a gold one. And then I got this and used a 40 off coupon. This is the glass bead Liquitex. It's just texture gel with glass beads in it. So I got that to try. Martha Stewart, they had, 50 off Martha Stewart there a couple of weeks ago. So I got this pretty purple glitter. And then this winter mint. I thought that was so pretty. So that. Now again, I didn't get this all at one time. I kind of tried to organize it in groups. Got this for $2.49. These are little beads. They're real pretty. And I got these little Martha Stewart trays for glitter and stuff. And I think there's, what, 7 in the tray, and it comes with a little brush, see? So, I got that. And there's some more. The other ones were silver. These are gold. $2.49. This one was $2.49. I got these beads. These were on sale. I think they were 40 or 50 off at one time, so I got those. Real pretty colors. Bead gallery. And then these. I thought they might make really nice flower centers. They have a little hole in them, but I think that can be strategically covered up. Real pretty, kind of a turquoise. Very beautiful. So that. I've got this die, Sizzlitz die, Flower Rose 3D. Looks like that in the back. Oh, here's the blue. Then I got this. They only had one left. The Vintage Collector. It was on sale. I think 40, 50 off. Got this little pencil. I'm going to use it as a pencil case. Place and time. Canvas zip bag. I saw a lot of people were getting these little resin cabochons. Very nice. I got some Heidi Swap, this ink. They had this in our store, and then it sold out really fast, but now, so I could only get the black, so now they have all the colors again, and I got the brown, so that's my next endeavor, slowly pick up all the colors. I got the 110-pound cardstock, haven't tried it yet. I got this like 50 off at some point. I also got this Vintage Collector matte stack, and this was the last one they had. I think y'all seen this, so it's nothing new. But it's very pretty. This is pretty. I like that. And some chalk print. Y'all never got a look at that. Then they had their little 6x6 My Mind iPads on sale for half price. So I got the Lost and Found, the Portobello Road. And this is old. Y'all have seen this. But it's really pretty. It's nice for boy or male cards. Male. You know what I'm saying. But you can use it for anybody. It's really pretty. Or baby, yeah. And then this is the blush, and it's beautiful too. And it's, everybody's seen this, but I'll just flick it through real quick. So that's that. And then this is my latest Michael's Martha Stewart. They have buy something and get it another one 50 off. So I used my 40 off coupon for this. the Mod Podge melts. What I liked was the little crowns and the bee and the key. I like them all, so sadly. And then I got a couple of these crocheted flowers, and I've been trying to do crocheting. I've been practicing watching that video that Tutu Amy did, and I still haven't got it, but I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep trying. And then I got this sunshine stack, which is real pretty. This was the only one left of this. Real nice. But it looks like it'll go really well with this Vintage Findings. And this one's just beautiful. So I think my glue guns that I have several of them, but I do believe that they are all low temperature glue guns. So I got this Martha Stewart dual temperature glue gun, and what I really liked about it, it has the black glue and the white glue. So I'm going to use that in my molds and see how that works. And then this was my choice for the half off on these scissors here. So I think I've got oh, and there was one more thing. I got this paint porcelain doll, Martha Stewart. This is a really nice color. It's kind of a pinky beige kind of color. So I got that. And that's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all are having a great day. Thank you. Bye.